Hello friends, this is Anil Kukreja from Deal Money Research. Let's have a look at the commodities from a weekly perspective. In this week, the main point for commodities was the FOMC meeting, which was going to be held on 16th September. However, the Fed came out with the interest rate unchanged. That was negative for the dollar index, but the dollar index was supported by the unemployment data, which was positive for the dollar index. Therefore, that gave us the correction in gold and silver. Prices of gold and silver had retraced from the resistance and are trading around the level of 51,000 for gold and around 66,000 for the silver prices. So, moving on to the agri commodities. In this episode, we are going to have a look at the three agri commodities which could be a good trade for this coming week. We are going to have a look at RM seed, followed by castor, and then CPO. So starting with RM seed chart, prices of RM seed has been trading with a support of the upward sloping trend line. Prices have the 30 days exponential moving average around the level of 5117, with the RSI still at 58. Prices are supportive of the bullish to sideways bias. We expect this RM seed to take the support around the level of 5200, while it could test the resistance of 5450 in the coming week. We are bullish on this RM seed contract, therefore we recommend to buy RM seed October contract around the level of 5340 to 5300, with a stop loss below 5200 and for the target of 5600 during the coming week. Moving on to castor chart. Prices of castor has been trading within a ascending triangle formation. Prices have the RSI, which is a momentum indicator, at 65, and that has reversed from the oversold zone, which means a sideways to bearish bias for the castor's contract. Prices have the support of 4000, while the resistance would be at 4200 levels. We expect this sideways bias to continue in the castor prices. However, a breach in the given range that would provide us with the direction to trade. Finally, to the CPO chart. Prices of CPO are trading with a higher high and a higher low formation. Prices have breached the upward sloping trend line, with the RSI at 73, that is still supportive of the bullish bias in CPO. We expect this bullish bias to continue in the coming week as well. The support for CPO would be at around the level of 770, followed by 755, with the resistance at 810 at 840 for the coming week. We expect CPO to trade with a bullish bias, and we recommend to buy CPO around the level of 788 to 790, with a stop loss around 760 for the target of 820 and 840 for the coming week. So that's all from my side. Thank you.